Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome back to the class and good evening. Hello, Sis Vivi. Hello, Sis Safa. Cek cek. Hello. Oh, Sis Safa ternyata Sis Novisari. Ya, oke, sorry
Ya,
sorry.
ya, good
By the
evening.
Halo
way,
bro, wait, aku tak pindah tempat dulu. Di sini berisik.
okay, great. So I'm so sorry for coming late. By the way, Francis, because I've just finished my previous classes, right? So I can start it right now. Maybe without further ado, while waiting for the others, we can open it first our class tonight. Let's open it by praying together first. Praying begin. Okay, finish. Thank you so much, Francis. So, how's life today, Francis? Apa kabar hari ini? Are you good? Are you guys good, by the way? Sis Vivi, Sis Novisari, Bro Bisma, and Bro Halim. Hello.
Hello, fine bro, so good.
So, is my voice clear enough, by the way, Francis? Suara saya jelas nggak, teman-teman?
Clear bro.
Clear
Yes,
ya?
clear.
Oke, I'm so sorry. By the way, barusan soalnya di hampir kelas di akhir-akhir mau ini, teman-teman. Justru akan oh sorry. Wait a minute. I would like to check it here. There wasn't. Belum ada ya, teman-teman ya. So June. Already 5 July. Okay, it's okay. So, hello, this lady. Welcome ya. Just join it. Then without further ado, I'm gonna show you the lessons of us tonight, Francis. Jadi materi kita malam ini ya, I'm gonna show you this one. Bruce Bisma baru pertama ya, Bruce Bisma ya. It's your first time, right, joining our class?
Yes,
Okay.
this is I do. Yes.
So, by the way, why didn't you join our class yesterday, bro? Did you have some business, by the way?
I'm sorry for not attending yesterday class because I forget it. I forget.
Oh, yeah, it's
Yes, I'm
really okay,
sorry.
by
Yes,
the way. I just
it's my
accept.
mistaken.
Okay, so this one, Francis, about the second day or the second meeting, we are talking about I speak in order. Jadi saya berbicara dengan urut ya, sesuai urutan. Lebih tertata maksudnya seperti itu ya, teman-teman. So right now the topics of that and then our goals is building good order of speaking. Jadi kita akan membangun urutan-urutan yang bagus dalam berbicara and introducing a speaking pattern dan juga menjelaskan atau memperkenalkan kepada teman-teman yaitu adalah urutan atau patternnya dari ngobrol atau berbicara itu sendiri ya teman-teman ya. Okay. And then this one, Francis, what can, for example, the questions, if you got questions, okay, what kind of music and song do you love most? Kira-kira musik jenis apa dan juga lagu apa yang teman-teman sukai banget nih, yang teman-teman suka banget? Okay, the way you answer it, you actually it's a better for you if you use the pattern first. Okay, you don't need to answer it directly like you mentioned the music or like oh, I like pop bro, and then this for the song I like maybe sambalado like that, Francis. Yeah. So actually we have the pattern, the way you speak that ya. Caranya teman-teman untuk berbicara tentang itu. Of course, the first we have the opening phrase atau frase pembukanya. Jadi ketika kita dikasih kesempatan untuk berbicara, kita tidak langsung ya untuk menjawabnya, tapi kita membuat dengan cara openingnya dulu seperti prolog seperti itu ya teman-teman. And then of course, and then the second point here is main idea. Jadi poin utamanya yang teman-teman akan bahas tentang I like or the kind of music that I like most is blah blah blah, or the song that I love most is blah blah blah, and then explain, okay, menjelaskannya dan kemudian memberikan contoh. Dan poin yang terakhir adalah di sini adalah teman-teman menyimpulkannya. Oke, menyimpulkannya menjadi satu kalimat baru bahwasannya apa yang sudah teman-teman terangkan itu menjadi sebuah kalimat baru seperti itu ya. Jadi kesimpulan. Oke. Then this one, Francis, the sample answer-nya. Sampelnya ya, teman-teman ya. What kind of music and song do you love most? This is the example of the questions that you will get, Francis. Ya, teman-teman mendapatkan pertanyaan seperti itu. Sample answer-nya, the opening, you can go with, wow, what a great questions. Itu, teman-teman. Pertanyaan yang bagus tuh, kayak gitu misalkan, teman-teman. Or you can go with, okay, I see, Bro Yahya. Okay, thank you so much for giving me that questions. Atau terima kasih sudah memberikan saya pertanyaan itu, kayak gitu misalkan. Jadi ini adalah sampelnya. Kita coba pakai sampel ini dulu ya, untuk teman-teman praktek sebentar lagi. Okay, and then after the opening about this one, like this is the expressions. Yeah, wow, what a great questions. Or you, if you have the way you open your on answer, so you can go with your own answer, by the way, Francis. Then if you want to mention about the main idea, kalau teman-teman ingin menyebutkan main idea-nya atau topik utamanya, ide utamanya, gagasan utamanya, so talking about the music and song. Dan di sini kan pertanyaannya kan tentang musik dan juga lagu ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi caranya teman-teman untuk berbicaranya itu, okay, bro ya, talking about the music and song, nothing can take my heart as great as classical music and song. Atau teman-teman bisa, nothing can take my heart as great as maybe dangdut song, kayak gitu, dangdut music and song, misalkan seperti itu. Jadi klasikalnya ini tinggal teman-teman ganti dengan jenis musik apa yang teman-teman suka dan juga lagunya apa. Kemudian untuk penjelasannya, poin ketiga or the explanation, ya penjelasannya, you can go with this sample, Francis. I like it because its lyrics is full of great message. Aku menyukainya karena liriknya itu penuh dengan pesan yang bagus, yang baik, yang keren. So deep and somehow, kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. Dalam banget ceritanya kayak gitu teman-teman. And then so much different from most of music nowadays. Dan juga sangat berbeda, oke, dengan musik-musik di saat ini. Seperti itu. Itu adalah nanti kita akan coba dengan sampel ini teman-teman cara menjawabnya ya. Okay, and then the fourth point here about example. Jadi teman-teman menyebutkan contohnya itu apa dari musik yang teman-teman suka. For example, Time to Say Goodbye by Andrea Bocelli, Bro Yahya, and is the best song I have ever heard. It is always fantastic to me. Ini sangat selalu fantastik untuk saya kayak gitu ya. And then short summary-nya atau teman-teman punya kesimpulan yang teman-teman bisa buat itu contohnya seperti ini. So the classical one is my best pick. So the dangdut one is my best pick. Okay, so Bro Yahya, after talking about music and song that I like most, actually I like dangdut and music. I like dangdut music and song, and it is my best pick. Seperti itu ya teman-teman pilihannya. Jadi teman-teman akan mencoba untuk menggunakan opening ini. Biasanya, sorry to say, like usually you will answer the questions or English questions directly, right? Tanpa adanya prolog atau permulaan dulu, teman-teman kan misalkan, what kind of music do you love most? Misalkan like Bro Halim. Okay, Bro Yahya, the kind of music I like is like dangdut, and then the song is maybe this one, Terajana, kayak gitu. Misalkan seperti itu ya, teman-teman. Tapi kan itu kan tidak dimulai dengan opening, main idea, explain, jadi jawabannya kurang kelihatan keren, kayak gitu ya, teman-teman. So if you want to make it more cool or cooler, so you can go with this sample. Jadi nanti sebentar lagi teman-teman akan dihadapkan dengan beberapa pertanyaan dan cara menjawabnya menggunakan sampel ini ya sesuai stepnya. Opening, main idea, explain, example, and short summary. This one. Okay, so let's practice it together. Topic of interest, by the way. I would like to ask you about one by one ya. Saya ada topiknya beberapa di sini teman-teman. Coba saya akan tentukan bersama pilih random ya di sini ya. Okay, for the first, maybe I would like to ask Sis Vivi. Halo Sis Vivi.
Halo.
Okay, Sis Vivi, right now I have a questions for you and then I please you to answer using this sample ya. Menggunakan sampel seperti ini, yaitu dengan opening, main idea, explain, example, and short summary-nya ya, Sis Vivi. The
Okay.
questions is this one, the topic for you, by the way, sis, about education. Pertanyaan apa aja? Is education important? Kalau iya, kenapa? Dan coba berikan contoh kasusnya kenapa bahwa pendidikan itu penting dan juga show ini adalah kesimpulannya seperti itu. Dan caranya sisi menjawabnya menggunakan ini ya. Okay. So I would
Okay.
like to
Wow.
try it right
Okay.
now. Is I give you the
Okay, thank you.
questions. Is education important, Sis Vivi, and then why?
Okay, wow, what a great question. Thank you. For me, talking about the education, education is important for a person because with education, a person can be productive. It can give a person the skills and things needed to be successful in life. This is why, in my opinion, education play a big role not only for students but also adults. Someone can support their family also if they took their education. Education helps in individual make good decision and in succeeding in for society. I think it can help people grow as productive member of the society, have a positive impact on the economy of the and yeah, I think it's reduced crime rate significantly in yeah like in our country. However, they are successful people without education. It means that they are not academically educated, but they are more educated in character. Just diligent and persistent people will also be successful. There are many terms that you don't need to go to school to be successful. Have you ever that? I don't agree with that. I think for me, I don't agree with that statement. It's true. Sorry to say that stupid people lose to smart people, and smart people lose to diligent people, and diligent lose to lucky people. The question is, do we know where and when our luck lies, right? So therefore, start with the education. Okay, for example, for me, a doctor is the result of education. Engineer, teacher, researcher, even farmers need education to develop modern agricultural, right? Yeah, education is something that is not only needed on a personal level, but also on a global level, because it is something that keeps our world safe and makes it a more peaceful place. And yeah, by education tends to teach people the difference between right and wrong and can help people avoid risky situations. Yeah, the world is pursuing education, I think. Every individual needs education to live life to the fullest, to better interact with our environment and make the most of our lifespan. Yeah, education is essential, I think. That's in my opinion. So for me, education is too important for life.
Okay, great.
That's
Thank you so much, by the way, for your answer. Yeah, that's great. By the way, you can speak more fluently than me over there. Yeah, Sophie. Okay, it's really nice and so what's that? It's unexpected, by the way, from me. Okay, the way you speak, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I like the way you speak. And then right now, I would like to choose Bro Halim. Halo, Bro Halim. Hello, Bro Halim. Are you there, bro?
Hello. Hello.
Okay. So right now, Bro Halim,
Okay, bro.
the
Good
questions
evening, bro
for you.
Yaya, bros.
Okay. So the questions for
Good
you is
evening, bro
about.
Yaya.
Hello, check, Bro Halim.
Hello. Hello, good
Hello,
evening.
hello.
You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear your voice. What about you?
Okay, I clear, bro Yaya.
Okay. So right now, Bro Halim, we are going to learn speak in order kayak gitu ya, cara tatanan kita berbicara kayak gitu ya, Bro ya. And about the topic is this one, by the way, bro. Ini adalah contoh sampelnya, Bro Halim. The
Yes.
sample answer. So the way you answer the questions is not only directly in the main idea, but also you have to tell a lot of the things first, such as like opening an idea and then the explanations, example, and then the short summary in the end. Okay. So right now, ini adalah contohnya kalau pertanyaannya berupa what kind of music and song do you love most ya Bro ya Alim ya. Nah contohnya adalah seperti ini cara menjawabnya. Sekarang Bro Alim akan mencoba menjawab dengan sampel seperti ini, but different questions Bro Alim. The questions is about this one bro. Sis Vivi has got about this educations and then right now you got about this one. Vacation, do you often go for vacation? And then why? Please give us the example of you when you go the vacations and then so kesimpulannya seperti apa seperti itu ya Bro Alim ya. Here, do you get a point by the way Bro Alim?
Okay, I want
Okay,
to try,
so
bro.
right now, coba ya saya akan ulang pertanyaannya dan Bro Halim langsung menjawabnya. Okay, do you often go for vacation Bro Halim and then why?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I plan vacation 1 month or one every 3 months with my family, with my wife. Or when the children are school holidays, considering that school children at the cottage only have holiday twice a year. That's why I mostly go alone with my wife, go with my children and my wife at a children as sudden planning catering. Why? I think holiday not only have a possible impact on our body health. However, by going on holiday, I can relieve stress from all our existing routine in my company. Then final studies show that going on vacation is an effective way to relieve stress. For example, vacation overnight at the Gucci Tegal hot spring, you know, Gucci in Tegal, and sometimes go to the beds, go to the beds and go the other tourist attraction. Sometimes go to Taman Mini, Ancol, Pangandaran, and another all. So I think from getting the benefit of quality family time, we and all other family member will become more open-minded individual and be able to be dynamic in fixing changing time. Another benefit that can be gained from the benefit of vacationing with my family in sense of responsibility. Okay, I think that's my opinion, Bro Yahya.
Okay.
As a little.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, Bro Halim, for answering my questions. And then I would like to give you any feedbacks here. I would like to give you some feedbacks, by the way, Bro Halim, that actually we have prepared some sample answer here. And then it's a great, by the way, your explanation. You have put the main idea first, and then explanation, and then maybe for me myself, like you only need to put the opening first. Jadi you forget about the opening. Jadi mungkin tadi dari Bro Halim cuma lupa cara penggunaan menggunakan openingnya saja, bukan cara penggunaannya, tapi menggunakannya, kayak gitu, aplikasikannya. So jadi sebenarnya ketika Bro Halim mendapatkan sebuah pertanyaan agar menjadi lebih interaktif, so you need to give the response first to that questions. For example, like the opening, this one. Wow, what a great questions.
Oh
Wow, it's a
yes.
great questions by the way, bro. I will answer like that maybe, Bro Halim. Jadi biar maksudnya ketika it's the moment of truth, by the way, when you meet the foreigner and then you give a good vibes when you answer their questions, or yeah, when they ask you something and then you answer it well, interactive, then with a good vibes, they will comfortable, yeah, they will feel comfortable to speak with you like that. Jadi mungkin itu poin utamanya. Jadi kan kita memberikan kesan utama dulu baru kita menjelaskan. Itu mungkin yang kurang diimplementasikannya saja dari openingnya saja. But overall it's really good by the way, Bro Halim. Thank you so much ya, Bro Halim, for
Thank you, bro. Yeah,
Okay.
I understand what you mean.
Okay, and then for the next, we'll try to choose Sis Novisari. Hello, Sis Novisari.
Hello, bro.
Okay, Sis Novisari, right now, yeah, you have already got the point, right, about the way you enter the questions. Sudah tahu ya, tadi caranya penjelasannya maksudnya seperti apa nanti cara menjawabnya ya. Okay,
Yeah.
so right now, the topic for you is about this, family. So what is family to you and why? Give us the example, and then later, please make us a summarize. Okay, let's go.
Wow, thank you. This is really interesting questions for me. What a great questions. Family is talking about family. This is really deep talk actually for me, because we will tell about our people around us, that we are not only share about happiness but also sadness. So family is really important for us. We cannot do anything without them, and we always need them beside us. So that's why we have to be love each other. We have to love each other with our family, and this is the way how we can close with our family. So for example, if we have family, we are not only thinking about ourselves, but we also think about people around us. For example, I'm as mother, I'm being a mother, so I have to take care my children, and this is part of my family, and I have to make sure that my children, they grow well. So this is part of our responsible as part of family member. Same with me, even I'm parent in my family, my small family, I also need my children around me. Not only children will need us, but also we are as parents also need children around us, because when we get all, we will need them. They will take care us when we get old. So this is important, that we have to build a good family. So that's why in my religion as Islam, building family is actually how we build our religion to make it a perfect 100% that we believe our religion in Muslim especially. So for the conclusion, I think we have to take care our family very well, and this is one of the important thing in our life.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. By the way, Sis Novisari. And then here, yeah, the feedback is of you overall. You have used all of the sample entry here. and then the step-by-step, the pattern you have used that, and I appreciate it. It's a very deep talk, and then I do agree with you that talking about the family, it's a very deep topics, by the way. Maybe it's a touching ya, juga menyentuh juga ya. Okay, thank you so much, Sorry for answering my questions. And then for the next, I would like to ask Bro Bisma. Hello, Bro Bisma. Hello, check, Bro Bisma.
Hello, bro. Yeah, hello.
Okay, Bro Bisma, you have already got the point, right? The way you answer the questions, Bro Bisma. Sudah paham ya cara untuk
Yes.
menjawabnya nanti ya?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I have.
So right now the questions for you, how have you got many friends? And then why? Ya, bagaimana Bro Bisma itu telah mendapatkan banyak teman, dan kira-kira kenapa mendapatkan banyak teman itu, perlu mendapatkan banyak teman, dan contohnya seperti apa? Okay, so please answer my questions, Bro Bisma.
Okay. Wow, this is a really great question for me. Talking about friends. Friends is one of the part of the life that you should have at least one friend. Why? Because with friends, you can share anything what you want. Maybe you can collaborate with your friends. Like if you have any idea in your life, you can do with your friends. Also, you can share with them. You can discuss with them. And actually, based on my experience, I got some friends, of course. I mean, a lot of friends when I was in the school, I was at the university. When I uh, introduce myself to them, and of course, I talk to them, I discuss with them, like anything, like everything, what I want, and I want to share. For example, like project in the university, I can find something that I never find before, or I can find something that's it's the weakness of my sides for doing the projects. So this is something that it's really important for accomplishing my projects. And after that, after I can collaborate with them, and even though it's not really needed for collaborations, like only talking, it's only a small discussions, I can find my answers, I can accomplishing my problems. And yeah, this is the benefits that if you have ever a friends like this. So that's why I think that having a friends, it's really important for your life, at least one friend. Maybe that's it for me. So yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, by the way, Francis, and for hearing Bro Bisma's story here. Okay, very good. The feedback is very nice. Yeah, for your explanations, by the way, Bro Bisma, the way you answer it, you have used all of the sample answer here, and of course, the things that I want to tell you as well, Francis. Oh, I will give you some additionals, yeah, some additional, by the way, about what, bro, yeah, that actually here we have opening, main idea, explanation, example, and then short summary. But actually, of course, if you want to give a sign to your listener that you have finished your explanations, you can put like a that's all, yeah, that's all, or you can go with that's all from me and thank you, I think. Nah, jadi kayak mungkin dari Rubisma mungkin sudah menunjukkan satu contoh barusan bahwasannya ya itu tambahannya ya teman-teman, jadi agak dikasih penutupan bahwa I think that's all from me and thank you, kayak gitu. Nah, bahwasanya nanti listener tahu bahwa kita itu sudah selesai berbicara seperti itu ya teman-teman. Okay, so for the next, I would like to choose Sis Lady Rosalyn. Halo Sis Lady Rosalyn. Halo Sis Lady. Oke, kalau kayak gitu kayak yang lain dulu deh. Maybe Bro Fatah. Halo Bro Fatah. Halo Bro Fatah.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. Bro Fatah, so you have already got the point, right? About the way you answered the questions?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now I give you the questions and then the topic is about entertainment, by the way, Bro Fatah. Okay? The questions
Okay.
is, do you watch movie often? And then why do you watch movie often? or give us the example. And then, okay. So right now, please answer my question, Bro Fatah, using this sample.
Okay, thank you. What an awesome question, I think. And talking about movies, I just sometimes watch movie. I don't care about the movie genre, whether comedy, horror, or thriller. If I wanna watch movie, it depends on the title, like Avatar, Spider-Man, Harry Potter, and so on. And it depends on the actor and the actress as well. For example, I just like Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman. Have you watched Pretty Woman, bro?
I think I've heard about that, but I haven't watched it, by the way, Bro Fatah.
Okay. Then Jason Statham in the mechanic and the transporter and so on. And in the past, I ever watched Titanic. You know, it's a great story. And in horror genre, I ever watched Insidious 2, but I don't remember who's the actress and the actor. So yeah, for the conclusion, I sometimes watch movie, but it depends on the title. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, by the way, Bro Fatah. It's a great for you to tell us about that, about your example. Maybe the way or the aim of you watching the movie often depends on the title, of course. You want to know about the story first, and then you want to make sure at first that it's movie. You mean like it's interesting or not, and then
Yeah,
you will
right.
use you prefer to watch the like this one short movie or Western movie, so you can learn more about English as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great, great. Thank you so much, by the way, Bro Fatal, for answering my questions.
Okay.
Okay, so selanjutnya di sini Sis Lady, balik ke Sis Lady. Halo Sis Lady. Malah keluar nih Sis Lady ini teman-teman. Okay, so maybe this one sekarang Francis kalau about entertainment. Semuanya saya pukul rata sekarang ya, bahwasanya dengan topik yang sama. And then this one the second right now. Okay, the second topic for you, the second turn for you to talk more again. So what is your favorite type of cuisine and then why? Jadi teman-teman apa kira-kira makanan khas, tipe makanan khasnya teman-teman yang favorit kayak gitu ya. Dan juga kira-kira kenapa menyukai itu sangat menjadi favoritnya teman-teman. Give us the example and then later give us the summary as well. Forget the closing. Okay, let me start it maybe from Bro Halim first. Hello, Bro Halim.
Hello.
Okay, let's go, Bro Halim. Right now, I will tell you about the questions again. I will ask you some questions, and then directly you need to answer that using the sample answer that we have learned together. Right now, the questions for you is, what is your favorite type of cuisine, and then why?
Okay, that is a great question, bro. My favorite type of food in Tegal got satay. Why? Because this food can make my body hurt. When I was sick, I didn't want to eat and I had no appetite for food. I had the confidence and suggestion that by eating good satay, bro, my appetite could increase and my sick body could be healthy again. And my favorite good satay, for example, in Tegal, good satay, there is chicken, ketoprak, nasi longo, and other alls. So there are several food that are recommended to keep our body's health by consuming nutritious foods to increase energy or strength. As explained early, that's question. That's my opinion, bro. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, by the way, Bro Halim, for answering my questions. So right now, Bralim, so I want to connect you into the other friends here as well. So Bralim, with the same questions, please ask your friend. You can choose anybody here. Silakan Bro Alim yang memberikan
Sorry, bro,
pertanyaan.
I don't hear you. A bad connection.
Check. So you can answer,
Yes.
you can ask the same question to the other friends here. You can choose anybody, bro, by the way, Bro Halim. Jadi Bro Halim silakan bisa bertanya ke teman-temannya, terserah siapa yang dipilih, dan pertanyaannya yang sama, yang ini. Menjawabnya dengan cara sample answer yang tadi. Oke, let's go, Bro Halim. Halo,
About
Bro Halim.
food. Sorry.
Silakan, mau tanya ke siapa
Yes.
dulu?
Okay. I want to ask Miss Novita.
Miss Novisari.
Novita Sari.
Okay. So, ask her, by the way, bro. Silakan tanya si Bro Halim.
About this question.
The same questions.
Okay. What is your favorite type of cuisine, bro? Sis Novita.
Yeah, wow. Nice questions. Thank you for asking me about this. My favorite question is Japanese foods. I'm from Java, so I like Japanese food. And one of Japanese food that I like is rawon. This is made from beef, and the ingredient is really Indonesian flavor, so that's why I really love it. And it's healthy, I think, if you use a good beef when you made it. And also because the color of soup is black, so it's quite different with other soups that you know in Indonesia. So that's why this food is really different. It's really, we mix soup with black color, and it's really interesting and also delicious, actually, the taste of these foods. And we can eat this food not only for breakfast, so we can eat this food when we want to have lunch or dinner. So there is no specific time if we want to take this food, if we want to eat these foods. And because this is really delicious, I suggest you, maybe if you haven't tried it, when you visit East Java, you can try to find restaurant with rawon menu, and I believe after that you will love these foods. So don't forget to take this opportunity if you visit East Java and to try these foods. I think that's my answer, Bro Halim, and thank you.
Okay.
I want to ask question for Novisari.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are there any side effect from eating a lot of rawon?
Side effect, negative effect, you mean? I think it will the same with if you eat a lot of beef, and then you have to make sure that you don't have problem with your cholesterol.
Yes.
Okay.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you wanna ask again, by the way, Bralim, this is Novisari, maybe, or that's enough?
Enough. Thank
Okay,
you.
great. Thank you so much, Bralim, for helping me. So right now, I asked the favor of Sis Novisari to ask your friends here, Bro Fata or Sis Vivi. It's okay. The same questions.
Yeah, thank you. I would like to ask to Bro Fata. Bro Fata, can you open your mic?
All right.
Yeah, thank you. So, what is your favorite type of cuisine?
Okay. I think it's hard to answer. It's difficult question for me because actually I don't have any favorite food or any favorite type of cuisine, but I like chicken. Why? Why I like chicken? Because I think it's easy to get it, and many choices of chicken like fried chicken, opor ayams, ayam sate, chicken sate, nugget. So wherever and whenever you, it's easy to get it wherever and whenever. And there are some choices of chicken. Oh, yeah, such fried chicken and so on. And the taste are delicious, especially fried chicken is crunched with flour. And the part of chicken the most I like is head and neck of chicken.
Oh,
Yeah, if Japanese say ndasgulu, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And maybe my favorite type of cuisine is all about the chicken. That's it, my opinion. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. By the way, do you have any questions, maybe, Sis Novisari, for Bro Fatah?
No, thank
Okay.
you for
So thank
answering this question.
yeah, thank you as well for helping me ask that question to Bro Fatah. And then, so that Bro Fatah, right now your turn asks to Sis Fifi right now. Let's go with the same
Okay.
questions.
Okay, hello, Sis Vivi.
Hello, Bro Fatah. Yep,
Okay.
hear you.
Okay, sis, what is
Great.
your favorite type of cuisine?
Wow. Wow, it's like you, yeah. It's hard to answer it, yeah.
Oh, like
But
me.
thanks for the question.
Okay.
Actually, I'm omnivore. All the kind of food I eat.
Okay, it's a great jokes, by the way.
Really, I
Really.
love Indonesian cuisine. I love
Mhm.
Indonesian cuisine, and especially a spicy one. Maybe I can tell the detail what kind of food, but I love this spicy one. Whatever that's the menu of with the spicy. But the most I love to eat fish balado. Sorry, ikan balado itu tetap ikan balado atau fish
Yeah.
balado ya?
Okay,
Fish
for your
balado.
info, dilanjutkan dulu nggak apa-apa, saya kasih
Okay.
penjelasannya. Okay.
Okay, yeah. I ever asked to my mom why why you always cook the spicy one for me, why? And why I love that. And she just answered, she answered that girl, you love the spicy one when you were in kindergarten, 5 years old. I already love the spicy one, and yeah, thank God I have a good health. Alhamdulillah. And then I ever read about the article about the spicy, what the effect if if I maybe consume the over the doses of the chili, but I just control it. Yeah, actually for the spicy one can improve our immune system, right? And the best reason I love it for lose weight. Yeah, if the people love the spicy food, it's it's a reason for the lose weight also. Yeah,
I
and
see, I
also
see.
the prevent cancer and healthy heart, right? Yeah. However, it turned out that that behind this impact for all that, if we a lot of spicy, consuming spicy food can provide certain health benefits that we rarely know. That I just taught you about it. Yeah. So I think it's a correct. When we consume spicy food, the blood and the body will flow faster,
Mhm.
and than usual, so that the toxin in the body can be removed through sweat.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I until now, so yeah, every day I cook my meal in my house with a sambal as always. Yeah, so yeah, that's all for me.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
okay. Maybe Profata, do you have any questions for Sis Vivi?
No, but she answer awesome.
Okay. The way she
Thank you,
answered your
thank
questions,
you,
it was so
you too,
awesome,
bro.
right?
I
Okay.
have
Thank
question
you.
for Sis
Oh
Vivi.
my goodness. Okay, sis Dami. What?
Yeah, actually, I don't really agree with you that if we eat spicy food, then we will lose our weights. Because in my case, if I
Yeah.
eat spicy food, then my taste will increase, and then a lot of
I will
I
eat
will
a
eat a
lot.
lot of foods.
Mhm.
That
Yes.
means that my body weight will increase. So I have
Okay.
opposite response
Please.
with
Oh
you.
my goodness. No. Vitamin C and A in a chilies used in a spicy food can improve the body immune system and from the disease as antioxidant, and that's why from the medical also. Yeah, I don't know for the exactly the explanation. It's a part of them can lose weight really. So that's why maybe until now I have stable weight. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's
So
uh, I think it's for me.
yeah, it's a different case, by the way, which is Navisari and is the
Yeah.
opposite of
So
CCP.
okay, so maybe for the sis Novi, usual if you eat more because the spicy one, you have to more your exercises.
Okay. So, but maybe actually, you mean like Sis Navisari that when you add some like spicy things, right, or the chili, sambal into your food, so it will increase your appetite kayak gitu ya, nafsu makannya
Yeah,
juga kayak gitu ya,
nafsu makan.
meningkatkan itu.
Yep.
Okay, so it's really great enough. Me as well, actually, I like a spicy food actually, but I like it's like a sambal branches. Ya, jadi kalau sambal
Yeah.
gitu suka, but it's a kind of like what's that? Apa bubukan teman-teman kalau mungkin bubuk cabai itu I don't really like it. But if we make it become sambal, so I really like it. How hot it is, by the way, how spicy it is, I really like it, by the way. But I
Okay,
can
that's
I can
good.
hold my sweat, yeah. So my body is
Yeah.
sweating when I eat that.
Yes. Okay.
Oke, mungkin dari Bro Halim silahkan kalau ada yang mau menanggapi atau bertanya kepada Sis Vivi, it's okay. We responded each other here about the questions. It's really okay, bro. So, what about
What
you?
No
Do you
else?
question,
like
bro.
spicy food? Huh?
No question. I think it's enough.
Okay. So,
No
what about
Thank
question.
you,
you.
Bro Halim? Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes I like spicy food.
Mm-mm.
Sometimes
Only sometimes, right? I
because my
think.
wife
Uh-huh.
like
Okay,
spicy food.
spicy food.
Spicy food.
Okay, I see. Great. So, yeah, mungkin sometimes, but it's Vivi, as always, yeah, it should be every day. It must be every day, by the way, Francis.
Yeah, and
Understand?
and when the chili get pricey, I just hate it.
Mm. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see. Great. Thank you so much, by the way, Francis. So let's review the feedback ya right now ya, teman-teman. Coba kita akan review feedbacknya bersama-sama dari tadi, teman-teman. Review and feedback on the first opening, any opening phrases you used by student? Yeah, of course, because we have used a sample, by the way, Francis. The main point, if you want to open it first, you have to give a response first of that questions, not directly about the explanations, but also you have to give like a quick response. Jadi respon yang cepat, contohnya seperti tadi yang dicontohnya adalah, wow, it's a great questions, like that. It's amazing questions. Jadi seperti itu. Jadi teman-teman setidaknya ketika menerima pertanyaan, utamanya cara openingnya adalah respond it first by the quick response. Okay. And the second point, did your student provide you a clear and main idea and answer? Of course, you did. By the way, Francis, I like it. Mungkin secara yang saya sering dapat ya, in a case or in my experience, Francis, that I've ever got for many times, when I ask the questions, the last one or the last thing that you don't need, you have never mentioned it, by the way, it's about the opening and then, opening and then the closing, by the way, Francis. Mungkin secara main idenya, jadi kita sebenarnya kan buatnya 3 poin aja ya, teman-teman ya. Of course, the third point is opening, and then the explanation, and then closing, like that, right? The simple one. But actually, when we break down the explanations, we have like a main idea, kemudian explanations, giving example, kayak itu. Memberikan contoh itu juga penting, teman-teman. Jadi kita bisa share our experience in that question, like that. And then the things that I have never heard or can be mentioned by my members, like that, right? So they forget to use the opening and then the closing, by the way. Jadi teman-teman mungkin kalau opening masih nggak masalah sebenarnya ya teman-teman ya. Karena ketika ditanyain pertanyaan langsung menjawab seperti itu. But if you put the opening like that, so you will have some, like a more great or the greater response for them, the greater vibes, kayak gitu ya, the better vibes for answering that questions, by the way, Francis. Jadi punya pembawaan secara vibes-nya itu lebih enak aja kalau teman-teman punya mengapresiasi pertanyaan tersebut terlebih dahulu sebelum menjawabnya. Kemudian, and then I think the important one for me, if you have answered the questions, when you want to finish that, when you want to close that, you have to use the closing, such as like, that's all, that's it, or I think that's all, Bria. I think that's it, Francis, and thank you so much. Okay, as simple as that, by the way. So you will give the sign to the listener that you have finished your explanations. Because sometimes if you don't put that into the closing of your explanations, your listener will think twice to speak, okay, to give a response. Their thoughts, okay, the thoughts of them, by the way, atau pikiran dari merekanya seperti itu, teman-teman. They will think that I will interrupt your explanation. They don't know that your explanation has finished or not, like that. Jadi penjelasan itu sudah berhenti atau belum, atau sudah selesai atau belum. Jadi ketika ada sign seperti itu dengan ucapan that's all atau that's shit kayak gitu ya. Nah, itu teman-teman sudah memberikan sign bahwasanya orang nanti akan memberikan respon itu jauh lebih enak. Jadi mereka tidak takutnya kalau teman-teman nggak menutup, ternyata teman-teman belum selesai, sedangkan yang lain sudah menginterrupt atau memberikan respon seperti itu, teman-teman. So that's a lesson. This one maybe this is the lessons for today, Francis. Maybe someday if you have a questions in English like that, maybe like Francis who have ever faced with the foreigner like that ya, atau teman-teman kan mungkin suatu saat bertemu dengan foreigner, sebenarnya opening yang paling penting, teman-teman, atau the way you give a quick response, karena itu akan memberikan vibes yang bagus untuk mereka juga kayak gitu. Jadi mereka akan menjadi lebih nyaman untuk berbicara dengan kita seperti itu. Okay, so you have learned here about the way you answer the questions. Of course, please don't forget about it. You remember, you keep in mind the way you answer the questions. You have to use the opening first, and then the main idea or explanation directly, and then don't forget to share your experience over there. Jadi teman-teman jangan lupa untuk memberikan atau membagikan pengalaman teman-teman. Okay, with the way you put the example on your explanations, and of course the last, before you close it, okay, you have to give them the short summary, by the way, Brenton. Setidaknya apa yang teman-teman sudah jelaskan itu teman-teman ulang kembali, kemudian teman-teman barulah letakkan nanti summary itu sebagai summary-nya, dan kemudian nanti di akhir teman-teman jangan lupa tambah closing-nya berupa that's all atau that's it and thank you so much, by the way, Brad. Seperti itu. Hey, maybe here, Francis, about the lessons for tonight, by the way, ya. Jadi itu untuk pelajaran tentang hari ini, teman-teman, about sharing the way you answer, okay, speak in order. Jadi biar caranya teman-teman menjawab itu lebih tertata, teman-teman. Dengan cara ada offering phrase-nya, main idea-nya, explanation-nya, give example, and then summaries ya di akhirnya. Jadi takutnya kan kalau kita nggak menggunakan sampel ini, kita akan menjelaskan lebih kayak berantakan. Dengan adanya ini kita ingat bahwasannya, oh kita harus ada opening dulu, cara responnya dulu, kemudian ke main idea-nya dulu, ke explanation, and then setelah kita menjelaskan panjang lebar menurut pendapat kita, baru kita menambahkan contohnya, our experience share over there, dan kemudian kita tambahkan summaries-nya. Seperti itu, teman-teman. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first, Francis, ya, about our lessons for tonight, teman-teman. Jadi kita sudah berbicara tentang itu, mungkin teman-teman bisa gunakan ini, you can apply that directly into your daily activity. It's not only in English, but also you can apply this in bahasa as well, Francis. Jadi teman-teman bisa mengaplikasikannya dengan bahasa Indonesia juga. Jadi step-stepnya biar lebih teratur. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first. Thanks for joining today's class, Francis, tonight class. Okay, thank you so much for joining and having me tonight. Let me close the class for tonight, Francis. Let's close it by praying together first. Praying, begin. Okay, finish. I think that's all first. And the last I say, see you tomorrow and have a good night, Francis. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you
Thank you,
Bye,
Francis.
everybody.
Francis.